This property is proudly presented by Nancy Brice and Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty. Whether you're seeking a primary residence, weekend getaway, or rental investment, this property checks all the boxes. A stunning waterfront townhouse in Blue Heron Cove on Lake Oconee. This 3-bedroom, 3.5-bath home features an open floor plan with a blend of hardwood and carpet flooring. The oversized primary suite, which overlooks the lake, and an additional bedroom, are located on the second floor. The kitchen boasts granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, flowing into the dining and living rooms, where you'll find built-ins, fireplace, and French doors leading to a covered patio, ideal for relaxing and entertaining. The terrace level offers a 3rd bedroom, bath, laundry room, kitchenette, family room with a second fireplace, covered patio, and a separate entrance. Amenities include a clubhouse, pool, and day-use docks. Located in the heart of Lake Oconee, close to shopping, restaurants, and Publix. Perfect as a full-time residence or as a great investment opportunity, with proof.